1.6 unreasonable effectiveness of data. All right. Section 1.6 is the unreasonable effectiveness of data. In 2001, there was a landmark Microsoft or paper that came out of Microsoft by Michael Bonko and Eric Brill. And that demonstrated that a variety of different machine learning algorithms, even relatively straightforward ones, achieved pretty similar levels of performance on complex tasks of natural language distinguations when provided with sufficient data, right? So here's kind of 4 different machine learning approaches: memory, winnow, perceptron, and naive Bayes. So for the longest time, people really liked naive Bayes. Perceptrons are kind of what morphed into kind of the deep learning once we got linear rectified units and multiple layers. But for a long time, people thought that they weren't really the way forward. Memory-based was just super simple. But what they found is that when they used millions of words, which is almost humorous now, because we train large language models on trillions of documents. But in 2001, it was a lot harder to get stuff actually into text. They used millions of words, and they found that the test accuracy for all of these methods, right, were very comparable. This was a super powerful finding in the world of machine learning, because this turned people onto the idea that the algorithms, yes, they are important, but the thing that is also important is to get more data, right? And you quickly saw after this just a realization that data started to become powerful, and you saw that trickle all the way down to like investments